got the cutie patootie little poochie last day. Wrapping this bad boy up. Let's go check it out.
Welcome back, everybody, to this episode of CE Ponds Does Amazing Hardscape Work and other various jobs like building amazing ponds and planting beautiful plants and trees and all the other things that come in the world of landscaping. But here we are, beautiful residents in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, little golf course community here that has quite the addition being done to it. Yeah, let's get back here, figure this out. It's a long driveway. All right, so today we are working on some grading, moving some stone in here along the fence where Derek is getting rid of these weeds. We did put the pool in. Ryan and the guys did a great job on that.
Flashback.
We gonna take you back in the It's time to go back. Let's go. Way back.
End of flashback.
We got some torches on the columns going in. So one torch there and one torch there. Today we're working on the irrigation system. We've got to get a couple different pipes in this trench still. One's laying outside of it there. Yeah, we got to tie up a bunch of stuff. Got that in yesterday. Got to tie in a bunch of stuff down here in this intersection. A couple of pipes there that still need to be connected, and then all the way down to the end there, and then all the way across to the pool equipment. We ran irrigation, putting in our valves here in the irrigation box at this point. So all these guys will get tied in, and that'll protect it. And then our main line comes from all the way up here by the house. So we have Donnie working hard as always, Greg and James going to the truck to talk about some things, and me and Bert are about to sweat because it's gonna be 100 degrees today and feel even hotter on the heat index, whatever that means.
Oh my God!
So yeah, stay tuned for all this. Gonna grade it, fence coming in, bunch of plants go in the back side of the fence, got all the seating, and then this will all be sod inside the fence line here.
All right, it has been a long time since I've been out here. Lots been done. Let's go check out the scene. Holy irrigation. A lot of work done, still a lot of work to do. We got irrigation going in, we got plantings going all along the perimeter, grading, seeding, all that good stuff. not on the job. Can't find good people nowadays. Interrupted their lunch break. Got the cutie patootie little poochie. Last day, wrapping this bad boy up. Let's go check it out. Look at them shades, Eric styling and profile. Alright, last day, looks like about to be a wrap. Finishing up all the landscaping down there, fence and all that landscaping. Side just got finished up yesterday. Beautiful outdoor living area, of course. Soake pool, gotta have.
Almost forgot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.